Oh boy, why are you looking so dull? Come on, cheer up and talk to me. It's been a long time we saw. You are just here, staring at your phone, pressing your phone. What kind of nonsense is this? Come on, what's going on?
Victor Isibor, it's not my fault. I'm just bothered. This new online business that I registered for, I have 41 people on my WhatsApp group. Do you know that for over 4 months now, none of them have activated? They don't seem to be interested in the business. Now I don't know what to do to maximize my WhatsApp group so that I can make money and succeed in this online business. I don't understand.
My brother, one thing you must realize is that it's not everybody that joins or stays on your business WhatsApp group that is interested in your business.
Victor Isibor, don't say that. Did I force them to join the WhatsApp group? I posted advertisements on social media and they read it and they were interested and they clicked on the link to join the WhatsApp group. And again, some of them do ask questions every now and then.
Ew, my brother, you just dey talk like small pikin. See, let me tell you something. It's not everybody that show interest in your business or enter your WhatsApp group or even ask question that is interested in your business. So some people are possessed. Have you not heard about window shoppers or window shopping? A full-grown man will dress up and leave his house, walk to a car shop, we start test driving all the cars there. You will think he wants to buy a car. After driving all your cars, he will tell you, I will get back to you. What about boutique owners? What they experience? Some persons will come to your boutique. They will test all your clothes. They will enter inside your dressing room for privacy, wear your clothes, take pictures with those clothes. After taking pictures with like 25 of your clothes, they will come out with one complaint or the other and they will leave without patronizing you. What about those people that don't have perfume in their houses? When they are going for occasions, they will go to a perfume shop. They will spray their clothes pss, 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 like they are testing perfume. When they now go to the occasion, they'll start confusing people because people will be perceiving a combination of like 20 different fragrances in their body. One bottle of perfume they will not buy from you after spraying all your perfume. Some people are crazy.
Oh, no.
If you calm down, I will show you tips and secrets on how to maximize your WhatsApp group so that you will make money from it. But before I tell you those tips, let me tell you the different kinds of people you will see in a WhatsApp group. Number one, the monitoring spirits, or you can call them the capitalists. Do you know why you call them capitalists? Anytime anybody posts testimony on that group or a screenshot of an alert of a money that they made, those people, they are the first to ask, how much is your capital? They forbid success. Yes, they came to this life to observe as other people are succeeding. They will never key in. They will not leave the group. At the same time, they will not participate in your business. They are there to monitor the growth and success of others.
Not be juju be that.
The number two set of unserious people you will see in a WhatsApp group, they are the ones I would call the researchers. A simple business model that you have told them that even an 8-year-old will understand within few hours. They will be on your WhatsApp group for 6 months. If you ask them, why have you not activated? Why have you not started this business? They will tell you, I'm still doing some research. Then they will give you a barrage of questions. Questions that beginners do not even need to know. They will ask you plenty questions. After you take your time to answer them, they still won't invest. Give them 3 more months. Ask them, why have they not keyed in? They will say, I still have some questions. And you'll be wondering, you have questions. You did not come to me. You waited for me to come to you. Now you are giving me questions.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
What those people don't know is that it is impossible for you to know everything about a business before you start. There are some things that you will learn from experience. When you have the basic information about a business, if you are a serious-minded person, you will start. then you will learn and grow inside the business. But you see, these researchers, they will ask you stupid, all manner of questions. They can even ask you, what is the favorite food of the CEO of this company? How many children does he have? Does he like to hang out in the evening? Okay, what tribe is he? Irrelevant questions just to justify their time wasting. Yes, when you tell them they are wasting time, they want to give you reason to justify their time wasting by asking irrelevant questions. And they will tell you, I'm still doing my research. I want to study the business very well. Mr. Studier.
Chai!
The number 3 set of annoying people you can have on your WhatsApp group are the Ponzi victims. You see, this set of people, they lost money to one Ponzi scheme over 30 years ago. So everything they see now, they assume it's a Ponzi scheme. But you see, they don't avoid the Ponzi totally. When they see your advertisement, they will still enter your WhatsApp group. Yes, they will come and occupy space. They will not invest. When you ask them questions, they will say, they will start giving you gist of how they lost money to one project over 15 years ago, how they sold their property to put in that business and they lost money, how they made a vow to their father in his dying bed that they will not do online business again. Brother, sister, why are you here? If you know that you want to avoid Ponzi and you think this is a Ponzi, leave the group now. The number 4 set of unserious people you will see in your WhatsApp group, they are called the ghosts. These ones, they join your WhatsApp group unconsciously. Any WhatsApp group anybody places on social media, they will enter there. Any registration link for anything, they will register. They can even register their own death sentence. They will not know. These people, they register and enter WhatsApp groups unconsciously. If you check their WhatsApp, you will see that they belong to over 10,000 groups. They are not aware that they are there. Somebody that is not aware that is on your WhatsApp group, how will they invest in your business? These people, even when you remove them from your WhatsApp group, they will not know. When you post things, they will not know. They are there, but they are not there.
What type of plane is this?
The number 5 set of very, very annoying people that you can have in your WhatsApp group are the ones I call the lazy mentees. Now, these people, they want knowledge, but they are not ready to seek knowledge. Now, they have internet with them, okay? A simple question that they can ask on Google or search for, they would rather call you up as the admin of the group by 2 a.m. You will see their call. You will pick up. They will ask you that very, very idle and lazy question. Then you will answer. Meanwhile, this person that is giving you sleepless nights has not even signed up or invested in your business. They are just in your group to frustrate your life. Could you imagine that I advertised an online business on social media and a random woman sent me a DM, said she was interested, and I added her to a group? For 3 months, that woman did not invest in that business, but she's always asking me random questions. One day, she called me up and she was like, I'm interested in this business, so Mr. Victor, can I come to your house so that you will explain to me better? You see, all these people, they are very funny people. They will say they want to come to your house. Something that you can chat with them and show them how it's done. They will tell you, no, I don't learn very fast online. Yes, I will come, I will travel, I will lodge in hotel. I will come and meet you in your house. In an online business where you can recruit anybody from all parts of the world. This one is saying they want to come to your house face to face. They have trust issues. They are lazy. They can't make research. They want everything to be done for them. They want you to spoon feed them with information. They want you to hold their hand and press each button on their phone. In fact, they want you to become a surgeon. They want you to tear open their skull and put knowledge inside. Yes.
There is God. Oh.
If you organize Zoom meetings, they will not attend. They want you to leave everything you're doing, forget about your family and friends and dedicate all your life to only them and be mentoring them and be pampering them like you were the one that gave birth to them. They are not inquisitive enough to make research or make an effort. They have an application of the business on their phone. But instead of them to look for something on that application, they will prefer to call you up. And they don't even chat you. They don't chat. That is the funny thing about them. They will call you. Then you pick a call. There's something I'm looking for on the app. Oh. Instead of you to check the app, you are calling me. How can I show you that thing through this call? Instead of you to open the app on your phone and check, you call me by 1 a.m. Rubbish.
Jesus is Lord.
Victor Isibor, you are very right. But some of them are broke. That is why they do not join the business. What do you think about those people that don't have enough money to invest in an online business? They may be interested, but they don't have the money.
See, majority of the broke people in the online space are lazy people. Do you know why I say so? Many of these make money online opportunities have reward system where hardworking network marketers can refer and earn a lot of bonuses. Now, if you say you do not have the money to participate in the business passively as an investor, you have a mouth. Why can't you use your mouth to promote this business and make money by earning a lot of bonuses? But you see, lazy people, they are broke and at the same time they are lazy. How can you be broke and lazy at the same time? How do you intend to survive? You cannot survive with being lazy and broke at the same time. And this is why Ponzi schemes thrive a lot. Majority of those that fall for Ponzi schemes are broke and lazy people. You know why? Ponzi schemes offer them what they want. A Ponzi will offer you big profits from small capital with zero work. So when these broke people see that, oh, my small capital, I can put it into a business and it will be giving me 2% per day without doing any work, because of course I am broke and lazy, they will now key into it. Now when their small money is bringing small returns for them on a daily basis, they will now start thinking, if I sell that our family house now, or if I sell my brother's car and put it in this business, I'll make a lot of money and I can repay the debt. Or if I go and borrow money from a bank, that is when they will now put all their life savings in the Ponzi scheme and they will now run away with their money and they will now start crying. So the best way to organically grow your WhatsApp group so that you can get conversions and sales is do not depend solely on those that are on your group. You have 41 people on the group who have refused to key into the business. Leave them there. Go out there. There are so many people on social media looking for legitimate ways to make money online. Show up daily. Join plenty Facebook groups. Spark up curiosity in people. Write a catchy caption. Interested in making money on a daily basis from the comfort of your home? Join my WhatsApp group. That is going to spark curiosity in a lot of people. They will click on your WhatsApp group. They will enter. Once you see that you have a sizable amount of people, organize a Zoom or a Google Meet. Present your business. Some of them will key in. Don't focus on the failures on your group. I suggest you look in the description of this video. Join my WhatsApp group. I promote legitimate and non-custodial ways of making money online. Maybe through my management style, you will understand how to better maximize your own WhatsApp group. Don't focus on those that are not serious. Go out there, you will find serious people who are going to participate in your business and you both are going to make money together.
Thank you, Victor Isibor. What I've learned from you within a space of 10 minutes. For the entire 4 years I spent in the university, I did not learn it. So permit me to give you a title. You are now Professor Emeritus Victor Isibor. Thank you so much. I'm going to put into practice everything you have said.